Welcome to the White Witch.
Probably one of the finest courses in the Caribbean.
The course was designed by Robert von Hagge. You've seen some of his work before on our show at Isla Navidad down by Manzanillo. And here in Jamaica, this is a great course. The first hole is a par 5, and it has dramatic views from tee to green. The course is set up for all levels of golfers, and anyone who loves the game will surely love this course. The par 3s are outstanding. The views are excellent. In my game, it was pretty good today. Our caddy not only did his job well, but he displayed that true Jamaican character that makes it a pleasure to be around. As you can see, there are postcard views no matter which way you turn here at the White Witch. As you work your way from the 8th to the dramatic 9th hole, you see the clubhouse, and you can just imagine the view for lunch. And if you love dramatic par 3s, you're gonna love the 14th. And you're gonna like the 17th, one of the most photographed holes in golf. In fact, if you don't do well on this hole, you can blame it on the views. And the 18th hole is a great finishing hole, and it gives you time to reflect on what a day you've had.
Thank you for joining us at the White Witch in Jamaica's Montego Bay. In these days when travel is postponed, we have hundreds of past videos to share with you, like the White Witch. See many of our videos on YouTube at the following channels. USA Golf and Travel and Golfing Country have traveled the world during the past several decades, and we have much to share.